This is Lindsay at the Waverly Public Library. I'm here to show you how to do a craft. We missed out on doing our April DIY class, so I thought I'd show you how to do it. It's marbled eggs was the April craft, so very fun, very easy. So what you'll need for this is some fingernail polish. Doesn't matter the color you choose, and some toothpicks, a straw, and some nails, an egg, and I have some styrofoam, and I stuck a few toothpicks in the styrofoam just to kind of let the egg dry, and a container with some water. And I chose to blow out my egg just because it would keep longer, obviously. You can choose to hard boil your egg. Either way is fine. If you do choose to blow out your egg, it's fairly simple. All you would need to do is poke a hole on both ends of the egg with the nail. Okay. And then with the toothpick, you're going to widen the hole and kind of loosen the yolk inside of the egg. And then use the straw to blow out the yolk. All right, and it does take a little bit of time, but I think it's worth it if you're willing to put in that time. So to do the marbling on your egg, you will use your water and your tub, and just choose whichever colors you would like. When you are doing this, keep in mind that the fingernail polish might go right through the water, but it'll eventually create a sheen on top of the water. So, and it does take a little bit of tapping to do to get the nail polish off, but just kind of have to work for it. So you're going to choose a few different colors. You're going to mix it with toothpicks. I would recommend not mixing it until you have all of the colors in that you want. If you do end up not liking the design, making a mistake, just use some nail polish remover and start all over again, okay? So I am starting with red, obviously, and just making a few drops. And the design really doesn't matter where you put the drops. But kind of play around with it. And I found that this pink is a little more liquidy, I would say. So it's easier to get the nail polish off. So make as many drops as you would like. Keep in mind that it does dry fairly quickly. Okay, so I'm just going to make a few drops. Use some purple. And I did try pouring out the fingernail polish, but didn't really work. It went right to the bottom. So this is what I'm doing. And the purple, this purple looks a little, it's kind of solid, but that's okay. For my sample egg, I used some blue, some red, and some pink. And like I said, don't worry if it goes right through to the bottom. All right, let's try to swirl that around. And I did use a glove. You can do that, you don't have to. And I kind of liked that it blobbed a little bit, and I think it kind of created a neat effect, but you can always just kind of wipe it off. So you're going to dip one side, make sure that one side is entirely in there, and it's kind of neat, it comes right off onto the egg. And then push down on the other side. And you're going to set it on the toothpicks and let it dry. I did not time mine, so I'm not sure how long it takes to dry, but I just left it overnight. So you can just do that and you'll have your marbled eggs. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll catch you at the next craft.